Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your washing machine is not spinning properly and your clothes are still wet after the wash cycle, then this video is exactly what you need. This is a very common problem. And the good news is that in many cases, you can fix it yourself without calling a technician. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what the problem actually is. When your washing machine completes the wash cycle but fails to spin, the drum does not rotate at high speed. Because of this, water is not removed from the clothes, and they come out soaking wet. Now, let's go step by step and check the most common causes. The first and most simple reason is an unbalanced load. If you have put too many clothes in the machine, or if heavy items like towels or blankets are all on one side, the machine may stop spinning to protect itself. Modern washing machines have a safety feature that prevents spinning when the load is uneven. So what should you do? Pause the machine, open the door, and redistribute the clothes evenly inside the drum. Then close it and start the spin cycle again. In many cases, this simple step solves the problem. Now, let's move to the second common cause, which is a drainage issue. If the washing machine is not draining water properly, it will not go into the spin cycle. This is because the machine detects water inside and avoids spinning for safety. Check the drain hose at the back of the machine. Make sure it is not bent, blocked, or clogged. You can also inspect the drain filter, usually located at the bottom front of the machine. Open the filter carefully and clean out any dirt, coins, lint, or debris. A blocked filter is one of the most common reasons for this issue. Once cleaned, try running the machine again. Now let's talk about the lid switch or door lock in top-load machines. If the lid switch is faulty, the machine will not spin because it thinks the lid is open. In front-load machines, a faulty door lock can cause the same problem. You can test this by closing the lid or door properly and listening for a clicking sound. If there is no click or the machine does not respond, the switch or lock might need replacement. Next, we have the drive belt. The drive belt connects the motor to the drum. If the belt is loose, worn out, or broken, the drum will not spin. To check this, you may need to open the back panel of the machine. If you see the belt is damaged or off the pulley, it will need to be replaced. This is a bit technical, but still manageable if you are careful. Another possible cause is a faulty motor or carbon brushes. If the motor is weak or the brushes are worn out, the machine may wash but fail to spin at high speed. In this case, you might hear unusual noises or notice the drum try to move but not spinning properly. This usually requires repair or replacement, and if you are not experienced, it's better to call a professional. Also, don't forget to check the control board. Sometimes, the issue is electronic. A faulty control board may not send the correct signal to start the spin cycle. This is less common but possible. If all the basic checks fail, then the control board could be the problem. Now, let me give you a quick summary. If your washing machine is not spinning, check these things. Make sure the load is balanced. Clean the drain filter and check the hose. Inspect the lid switch or door lock. Check the drive belt. And finally, consider motor or control board issues. By following these steps, you can solve the problem in most cases. Before I end this video, here's a quick tip. Always avoid overloading your washing machine and clean the filter regularly. This will not only prevent spinning issues, but also increase the life of your machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.